Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
your go-to channel for honest reviews on all things practical and innovative. Today, we're diving into the world of RV accessories with what we believe is the best RV drain system currently available on the market.
Introducing the Camco Flexible Camper RV Drain. Designed specifically for campers with a single sink and no holding tanks, this system is crafted from heavy-duty, chemical-resilient polymer, ensuring durability and reliability wherever your adventures take you. First off, it's tailored for simplicity. Installing it is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design.
Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just starting out, you'll appreciate the straightforward setup. Constructed from a durable chemical-defiant polymer, this drain can handle the rigors of RV life without rusting or deteriorating over time. Plus, its evacuation flange, made of resilient ABS, ensures a tight seal and reliable performance.
And here's a bonus. It's proudly made in the USA, meeting high-quality standards for materials and craftsmanship. Now, let's talk dimensions. With 25 inches of hose included, and a sink end that accepts a standard 1.5-inch 11.5 threaded drain fitting, this system is versatile enough to fit most RV setups with ease. Available in a sleek black for the drain trap and hose, complemented by a clean white evacuation flange and cap. It not only performs well but looks good doing it. For those concerned about compatibility, rest assured. The Camco Flexible Camper RV Drain is designed to work seamlessly with various RV configurations, making it a hassle-free choice for anyone looking to upgrade their drainage system. So, whether you're hitting the road for a weekend getaway or embarking on an extended cross-country adventure,
the Camco Flexible Camper RV Drain ensures you have reliable drainage wherever you park your RV. It's no wonder this product has earned its spot as a top choice among RV enthusiasts.
Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful,
don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased reviews and helpful tips on products just like this one.
Until next time, happy trails.